All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you should see in Schoology. That's right, it is a test for you to do. Make sure you're looking and reading closely. This is the part that we're going to work on. Let me make a bigger one here that we can see and talk about. Just to give you a little heads up, it is metric, so you need to start by making the part metric. It's 90 millimeters wide, 166 long, and is 44 tall. Now what I would do is make sure that you draw this on your right side plane and use all these dimensions. This 20 here is the same as that 20 there. So it's 20, so these are collinear. Those two lines right there are collinear. These two lines across here are collinear. So this is this indentation in here. You come over 20, go 50 wide, 12 tall. This is the same thing on the top except it goes the other way. All right. So once you make this shape, extrude it back 166, and then this should be this should become your front view. This up here will be your top view, so you're going to need to make sure you use a sketch and put a point here and a point there. If this is 50 wide, off of this line over to this line is 25. So you put that point in, make sure that they are also collinear, measure it over, or to put a dimension that's 25 millimeters over, and then 35 from the end, and then 96 this way. There. Extrude those two holes through, or add those holes and extrude them through, and you should go ahead and do that. Now I would make sure that all these dimensions over here are on your right side view. This one should be on your front view, and these three right here should be on your top view when you finish that. All right, I think that's enough hints for now. Good luck, and don't forget to click submit when you're done.